guys, it's Sam from Raggedy. I'm going to share with you today a really easy, because you know how much I like easy, Easter project, which is part of a big 5-day craft challenge that I'm having over on my blog. And I'm going to be using book pages and some decor stamps. So let's get cracking. Today's project, what we're going to use is the Iron Decor stamps typesetting and the brayer and some black ink and of course some book pages. So in order to make your banner, garland or whatever you want to call it, all I've done is just got some book pages, folded it in half and worked out exactly where I'd like the banner to sort of go up to, and then like there's a whole stack of pages there, and this is to do it all in one hit, and I just cut from the corner to that point where I've marked already, and there you have your banner pages. And I've counted out how many letters there are in Happy Easter, and that's how many book pages I'm using. So the next thing is I'll just pop out some black ink. I'm just putting it out onto an old tile. Won't need very much. Load up your brayer, and I've already pulled out the capital letters out of the typesetting for Happy Easter, and you just load up your letters like so. You can use a bit of the transfer film as well if you like, which comes with your stamps. It's like a clear bit of matting, and you can use that if you don't feel comfortable in placing the letters straight on your banner. So I'll turn this up the right way so I'm doing it the right way around. So you just line up I should say, the letters, and I freehand eyeball everything, but if you feel more comfortable measuring it out, that's totally cool too. You just need to use a ruler or a tape measure at this point. And just lightly dab over the design. You don't want to push down too hard because it distorts the stamp. And then peel off. So there you have the first letter of H for happy. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp the rest of them. I'm thinking about adding just a little bit of texture to the bottom of each letter, just to kind of like make it look, the letters pop out a little bit. So I'm just using a bit of the branch from the Queen Bee stamp set, and I'm only going to use the bottom half of it. so that it just gives it that sort of leaf effect. So I'll just go back and do the rest of the letters, and then we'll be ready to put the garland together. I've just used some little tiny pegs and some jute and I've just attached it all together. So now it's all ready to be hung. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed that little craft that I shared with you for a simple Easter project that you can make for yourself or give away to your friends. I'll be sure to leave all the products below that I used with the links, and also I'll share with you all the other projects that I've made so far. But make sure you're hanging around because I will share the photos with you as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to bringing you some more DIYs.